using the first principle. Is that okay for you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so I started record. If I start record this record this session. Let's go to the first. Okay, okay. Find dy dx using first principle. Okay, so this is a question in general. So let's say if we have, okay, I give you a few questions as we call exercise for this afternoon. Let's say the first we got the function of, okay, as we know that the function of fx, we also may write it as a y, because once we substitute the x into the function of f, then we may plot and find the value of y. That's why we can plot x and y on this axis, and then we will get some what we call shape of the graph, might be something like this. So this is an fx, represent the quadratic, okay, with the x square x power of 2 with the highest degree of x equal to 2. So let's say given to you fx equal to 2x minus 1, okay, fx equal to 3x squared minus 2x, then fx equal to okay, this is linear, quadratic, cubic, which I think the same. Let's say we got square root of 2x plus 3 and fx equal to 1 over square root of 3x minus 2. Okay, so now this is a question that, okay, I spontaneously we call randomly think what I have in my mind. So we call begin our discussion for this question. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. The first question is 2x minus 1. Let's say given that fx equal to 2x minus 1. So class, okay, okay, so class dah terbiasa dalam kelas, sorry. Okay, so okay. So let's say y equal to 2x minus 1. If we derive or differentiate this function straightly, dy dx, as we know that we are going to multiply the power of x and bring up to the front here and give you 1 times 2 and x power of 1 minus 1. And then since that there is no x, then this is just a constant, then it straightly become 0. Okay, so then 1 times 2 equal to 2, x and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So x by power of 0 straightly become 1 here. And finally, the result of this is 2. Or we can just simply write down y equal to 2x minus 1. So then dy dx equal to 2. Okay, but then this this method is not answering according to the question, because it wants you to solve or find dy dx using first principle. So what we can do here now is come up with a formula of f prime x. Okay, read for me the formula of fx using first principle. Limit. Do you have your what we call textbooks or might be notebook in with you right now? The notes of maths notes with you right now. Hello, Kiki. Hello.
Yes,
Kiki.
teacher.
Okay.
Okay, I want to
Can
take
you
book.
please read for me or give me the formula for f prime x using first principle? No idea.
Yeah, no idea, teacher.
No idea.
Sorry.
Okay. I have no. Okay. I did not know what is the variable that we use in secondary school. But then in matriculation, we make it as an age approaching to zero,
Okay.
and then f x plus age minus fx divided by age. Hold on.
Teacher, for us, it's dy dx equals to limit approximate x reaching 0, bracket approximate y over approximate x, close bracket.
Okay. Um, Hold on. Sekejap, eh. Okay, you may also refer to Google search. Okay, type find f prime x using first principle. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, then this is in your, shall we call in your textbooks, they use the term of delta x. Is that true?
Yes, teacher.
Delta x. Okay, so in matriculation, we changed using delta x using h because if I write this one as an x square delta x minus 2x delta x minus 1 minus x square delta x minus 2x delta x, because the we call the term of x and delta x is very close, very near, and it can easily make we call I was make some apa, make the students confused, not just the student but also the teachers. So in matriculation we change it in the variable of h. So from delta x we change using h. Is easier because we can differentiate between x and also h compared to x and delta x. By the way, you may refer to your teachers. If I suggest to you use the h rather than using delta x, is that acceptable in secondary school, or you must use delta x? Okay, so I'm not going to suggest to you straightly using h, because if the examiners in SPM level they did not accept h, they still want use the delta x, then you're gonna lose your marks. You get what I mean? Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so limit of h approaching to 0. And now fx plus h minus fx. So just imagine that this fx, which is 2x minus 1 and fx plus h. X plus h means that the term variable of x here, we're going to substitute with 2x plus h minus 1. Okay, so this and fx and this and fx plus h. So then what we get here now, fx plus h. So this is one here now. Okay, 2x plus h minus 1. 2x plus h minus 1 minus fx, where fx equal to 2x minus 1 divided by h. Okay, now limit of h approaching to zeros. We are going to expand and open up all the brackets here, and also between this negative with this function of 2x minus 1 inside. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times h plus 2h, and then minus 1. Okay, negative 1 times 2x minus 2x, negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 divided by h. Okay, now it's time for us to make some cancellation. Okay, we eliminate the function that has in common, but one with positive, another one in negative. Look at this. We have 2x and negative 2x. 2x minus x equal to 0. And also 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so what's left here now? Limit of h approaching to 0. Okay, there's only one term left here, 2h. So 2h divided by h. And h divided by itself equal to 1. So then limit of h approaching to 0. Only 2 left here now. Okay, so Kiki, do you find any h left here?
No.
No. But then we still have another instruction for limit when h approaching to 0. But when there's no h left, because this one is eliminated by itself here, so there's no h left. So then how are we going to find how are we going to use this instruction or order here?
Change it to dy dx.
No, no, no
No?
need to do the x. Okay, so because limit h approaches 0, but there since that there is no h left here, then this is the one. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. 3x squared minus 2x. So fx equal to 3x squared minus 2x. Okay, so y equal to 3x squared minus 2x. So then dy dx equal to 2 times 3 equal to
6x minus 2.
6x minus 2. Good. Okay. Is this finding dy dx using first principle?
No.
No. Okay, good. This is only uh if this question using first principle appear in your exercise or pre-examination or real examination, so you find dy dx first. But this is not the techniques that we want. Okay, but then this is just only for reference, rujukan sahaja. Reference because we are going to come up with a operation of first principle. So our final answer must exactly same as this. If this one is quite or totally different from the our reference here, then you may do we call any checking inside this working solution. You get what I mean?
Just 2.
Okay, so now, okay, because your SPM level, they use delta x. Okay, never mind. We use delta x too. It's okay. Okay, limit of delta x approaching to 0 of the function fx, x plus h minus fx divided by h. Okay, sorry, delta x, not h. Sorry. Limit of delta x approaching to 0, uh, 3x plus delta x square minus 2x plus delta x minus 3x square minus 2x, and everything divided by delta x. Okay, so limit of x, delta x approaching to 0. So for this, 3 times x plus delta x square, which means that we need to expand this first. Okay, expand this first and multiply with 3. So first is 3x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square minus 2x okay, negative 2x, and then minus 2 delta x. Okay, okay, now expansion of this is all here now, minus this one here. Okay, negative times 3x squared minus 3x squared, negative and negative, positive 2x, and everything divided by delta x. Okay, limit of delta x approaching to 0. So expand is none. 3 times x squared, 3x squared, 3 times this plus 6x delta x plus 3 times this, 3 delta x squared minus 2x minus 2 delta x minus 3x squared plus 2x, everything divided by delta x. Okay, so let's find out which part that we can make some elimination or cancellation. 3x squared minus 3x squared. Which else?
2x, 2x.
Yes, 2x minus 2x. Anything else? Ada tertinggal ke?
Um, tak,
Tak ada.
we don't.
Okay. So now if I write again the rest of this, limit of delta x approaching to 0, we got 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 2 delta x divided by delta x. Okay, so look at this, delta x square, delta x divided by x. If I have this x plus b x square plus c x. Mm, wait, not this one. 6xy plus y square minus 2y divided by y. Okay, if we like to put them all together in one fraction, we look at we look at this, and this, and then we have y here. We can only take out one of the y, okay, this, this, and this, divide by y, because 6xy divided by y plus y squared divided by y minus 2y divided by y. So every single of this, we can only eliminate one y. So what's left now? 6x plus y minus 2. So same thing goes to this one here now. So 1 of the delta x, 1 of delta x here, and 1 of delta x divided by 1 of delta x. So then, limit of delta x approaching to 0. So we got 6x plus 3 delta x minus 2. So 1, 1, 1 with 1 delta x left in, being eliminated. So, okay, now we are going to use this instruction, limit of delta x approaching to 0, from these three terms here now, 6x plus 3 delta x minus 2. Which of these have what we call, which of these from these three terms, which of these have the term of delta x?
3 delta x.
3 delta x. So delta x approaching to 0, for this case, we assuming that the delta x equal to 0. Okay, even though it say limit delta x approaching to 0, but then when the value of delta x very close, very close, very close to 0, so we assuming that everything equal to 0. So 0 times 3 equal to 0. So what's left now? We got 6x minus 2. Boleh ya?
Can teacher.
Okay. What's the third question just now? Square root of 2x plus 3. Fx equal to square root of 2x plus or minus? Plus 3.
Plus.
Okay. So y equal to square root of 2x plus 3. Square root means that everything here, 2x plus 3. Square root means that it's a power of half. Okay. So y equal to square root of 2x plus 3, or 2x plus 3 in bracket to the power of half. So then y prime equal to y prime or dy dx. Bring half to the front here. 1 over 2, 2x plus 3, half minus 1.
Half.
Half minus 1.
Negative half. Half minus 1.
Okay, half
Negative
minus
half.
1, negative half. Okay, good. Is that all? Is that all?
Uh, negative half. Oh, then you must bring out 2x. You must differentiate 2x.
Differentiate 2x plus 3. Good. Differentiate this and give you 2. Okay, so now 2 times half, or 2 divided by 2, 1. So then, okay, a to the power of negative n equal to, look at this, a power of negative n, power of negative.
1 over
That's it,
2x.
1 over a to the power of
Yeah.
n, or this one here is 1 over square root of 2x plus 3. Okay. Again, what did I say to you just now?
Reference.
It's a reference. So it's just a reference here. Okay. So once you start using your first principle until you get the answers at the end here, compare this with your reference here now, whether it's exactly the same or different. Okay. So now limit of h approaching to 0. Kiki, is it okay if I just use the term of h rather than delta x? Is it
Yes.
boleh ya?
I use delta, I get confused.
But by the way, well, okay, once you go to school next week, ask your teachers if you use my idea. It's not actually my idea because in matriculation we use the delta x, using h, not delta x. If your teacher says it's acceptable, then it's okay. Okay.
Okay.
But in our discussion now, I use h, but then you refer to your teacher back again. Okay, so for this one here now, um, again, limit of h approaching to 0, fx plus h minus fx divided by h y prime dy dx. Okay, so for this, it's actually y prime or dy dx. Dy dx equal to limit of h approaching to 0, square root of 2x plus h plus 3 minus square root of 2x plus 3 divided by h. Okay. What about this kind of function? This kind of function and find that dy dx using first principle. Is this part of your in your syllabus then?
Let me
Maybe
check.
yes. Okay. Okay, please. Okay, you may check or check your we call your textbooks or your we call your reference book later. But then it's okay. You just we call introduce here for a while. Okay, so now for this kind of situation when we have square root, there is one term appear for this. Okay, limit of h approaching to 0, square root of, okay, for this 2 times x, 2x, 2 times h, 2h plus 3 minus square root of 2x plus 3 divided by h. Okay, for this kind of situation, we are going to multiply this with what we call conjugate. Have you heard this terminology before?
Yes, teacher.
Conjugate. What is a conjugate?
You times the exact same thing again, but then change the symbol, right?
Change the sign. Which one then?
Yeah. Negative become positive.
Okay, thank you very much. So then, here now, okay, square root of 2x plus h plus 3 plus, okay, negative, then positive here, square root of 2x plus 3 divide by square root of 2x plus h plus 3 plus square root of 2x plus 3. Okay, so now the conjugate, we are referring to this, and this. The denominator of this is just following the above then. So it affects nothing as nothing much. So just imagine that we have square root of a minus square root of b multiplied with square root of a plus square root of b. Okay, square root of a times square root of
A,
a. Square root of a times square root of b,
AB,
square root of a square root of b.
B,
Negative square root of b times square root of a,
minus
square root of a square root of b. Negative square root of b times positive square root of b.
Negative.
Okay, square root of b and square root of b. Actually, that this is b, right? Okay, so now, and this one, they are contra, or they call opposite by itself. So this is 0. So what's left here now?
A minus B.
A minus b. Good. Okay. Now my question is, how are we going to implement this here? Okay, that is the point now. How are we going to implement this or process, especially to this one with this with this one here, this with this, and this with this. Okay, so okay, so now limit of h approaching to 0, square root of 2x plus h plus 3 times square root of 2x plus h plus 3 equal to 2x plus 2h plus 3. Okay, and because this is, okay, this and these are conjugate. The conjugate of this, it will give you a square root of a minus square root of b and square root of a plus square root of b equal to a minus b. So then we can just simply ignore the rest of the process. We straightly come out with minus of 2x plus 3 divide by, okay, we still have this and we still have this. So h and square root of 2x plus, wait, it's supposedly 2h here. It's supposedly 2h here. 2h and 2h. Okay, so h times the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus with square root of 2x plus 3. Okay, now limit of h approaching to 0. Simplify this. 2x plus 2h plus 3 minus 2x minus 3 and divide by h square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus square root of 2x plus 3. Okay, so now 2x minus 2x, 3 minus 3. So what's left here now? Okay, read for me. What's left here now?
2h
Mm-hmm.
h over h times square root 2x plus 2h plus 3
Mm-hmm.
plus square root 2x plus 3.
That's it. Okay. Look at this. We got 2h and h. Can we just simply cut this h with this h?
Yes.
H divide by h. Okay. If you think that my explanation is not very clear to you, okay, never mind. I'll rewrite this. Limit of h approaching to 0. So we got 2h divided by h square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus with square root of 2x plus 3. So now h divided by h. So then um and then and now we are going to use this instruction, this order. Limit h approaching to 0. H and this h have been eliminated. You find any h left?
In the square root.
This one here.
Yeah.
Okay, good. When h approaching to 0, then 2h equal to 0. Okay, so now, Kiki, this h and this h is not referring to this instruction yet. This h and divide by itself, then equal to 1. But then, this 2h is referring to this instruction. Okay, so now,
Okay.
so once we use the instruction of limit h approaching to 0, we don't need to rewrite this again, like this, and this. Okay. Okay. The reason that I write this again, and again, and until here, because kita belum lagi guna instruction tu. We did not use the instruction yet. But once we use this instruction of limit h approaching to 0 here, then we are free from this. We can just write down as 2 divided by square root of 2x, no more 2h, plus 3, plus with square root of 2x plus 3. Okay. Uh, Square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x plus 3. What do you think? It's just like square root of a plus square root of a equal to
The same thing.
the
Wait.
same thing, which is 2 square root of
Square.
a, right? Square root of a plus square root of a equal 2 square root of a. Am I right?
Yes, sure.
Okay, square root of a times square root of a, then it is a. This is addition. This is multiplication. Two different things. Okay, so now 2 divided by square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x plus 3 is just 2 square root of 2x plus
Plus
3.
3.
Okay, what is your suggestion next?
Cancel the 2.
2 divided by 2 equal to 1. And finally, our final answer is 1 divided by square root of 2x plus 3. Get it?
Yes, sure.
Okay. And the question number 4, 1 over square root of 3x minus 2. 1 over square root of 3x minus 2. Okay. Y equal to 1 over square root of 3x minus 2 equal to, okay, bring this above. And square root is power of half. So if we bring the denominator above, it becomes something like this. 3x minus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. 1 over a to the power of n equal to, okay, 1 over a to the power of n equal to,
Square root A.
no,
No, no,
this
no.
one. 1 over a power of n equal to
A negative N.
a power of negative n.
N, yeah.
Okay, just like this. 1 over square root of 3x plus 2 equal to 3x plus 2 in bracket power of negative half. Okay, so now our y prime or dy dx equal to negative half. Bring to the front here, negative 1 over 2 times 3x minus 2 to the power of negative half minus 1.
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Are you sure?
Negative 3 over 2.
That's it. Negative 1 over 2 minus 1. Still using calculator?
Negative 3 over 2.
Mm-hmm. I heard the calculator button.
Ah,
Okay.
3.
Is it? Okay. And then times 3. Good. Okay. Differentiate of 3x minus 2. So this 3 multiplied with this, it gives you negative 3 over 2 times 3x minus 2 power of negative 3 over 2. Or we may also write this as a 3 divided by 2, 3x minus 2 power of 3 over 2. Okay, the power of negative 3 over 2 bring down as a denominator and the power become positive. Okay, and again, this is our
Reference.
reference. Good. Okay, so now dy dx or f prime equal to limit of h approaching to 0. Okay, for this, fx plus h minus fx divided by h y prime or dy dx and the limit of h approaching to 0. So fx plus h, so this one here now, 1 over square root of 3x plus h minus 2. Okay, this is fx plus h, 3x plus h, and then minus fx 1 over square root of 3x plus or 3x minus 2. Okay, and everything divided by h. Okay, so Kiki, for this question, I'm going to bring this above here. It's just like 1 over this is a over b. Okay, a over b divided by h. But then we change this in the form of c over d, or just like h divided by 1. Okay, let's simplify this. A over b times with,
D over C.
that's it. Change the position upside down. D over c. Good. So then, in this case, it's just like limit of h approaching to 0. Okay, this one, h over 1 is 1 over h, and then 1 over square root of 3 times x, 3x, 3 times h plus 3h minus 2 minus 1 over 3x minus 2 square root. Okay, so now again, Kiki, we are going to use conjugate for this situation because we have this and this. So then, uh, are we going to use the conjugate? No. Before using conjugate for this question here, we are going to simplify between these two fractions. 1 over square root of a minus 1 over square root of b. Okay, we are going to equalize the denominator. Equalize denominator meaning is a square root of a multiplied with square root of b, square root of b multiplied with square root of a. So if square root of a multiplied with square root of b, 1 will also multiply with square root of b here, and square root of b multiplied with square root of a, so then this one also multiplied with square root of a, so we give you square root of b minus square root of a divided by square root of a square root of b. Okay, so now okay, limit of h approaching to 0, 1 over h, okay, we got square root of 3x minus 2 minus square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2 divide by square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2 multiplied with 3x minus 2. Okay, between these two, we multiply this and then cross multiply, then we get this one here. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. The numerator, we got square root of 3x minus 2 minus square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2. This is the one that we're going to refer for our conjugate. Okay, so it's now square root of 3x minus 2 negative, I mean here is positive, square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2 divided by square root of 3x minus 2 plus with square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2. Okay. Okay. From numerator pengatas ni, we come up with a conjugate with this negative and positive. Again, because it's a conjugate, limit of h approaching to 0, 1 over h. Okay. Conjugate, again, square root of a minus square root of b and square root of a plus square root of b equal to square root of a times square root of a. This one is cancelling each other then, and minus b. This one here. So then I'm straightly use this approach. Okay, this method here. 3x minus 2 and then minus 3x plus 3h minus 2 and everything divided by, okay, look at the first one here now. We got square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2 multiplied with square root of 3x minus 2 and then multiply it with this one here, square root of this and this, 3x minus 2 plus square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2. Are you still okay, Kiki?
Yes, sure. Processing.
Processing. Okay, never mind, because this session is recording, so you may refer to the videos again and again. Okay, limit h approaching to 0, 1 over h. So, if I just expand it here, negative 3, negative times 3x, negative times 3h, and negative times negative 2, we got 3x minus 2 minus 3x, negative this minus 3h, negative negative positive 2, and divide by, okay, this and this, square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2 multiplied with square root of 3x minus 2, and then this one, this and this multiplied with 3x minus 2 square root and plus with square root of 3x plus 3h minus 2. Okay, so now 3x minus 3x, 2 minus 2. Okay, okay, 1 over h. This one, 1 over h. Okay, so 3x minus 3x, 2 minus 2. So what's left here now? Negative 3h. And multiply also, not just divide by this, but also multiply with 1 over h. So h divided by h,
Nothing.
nothing. So which means that h divided by h equal to 1. H divided by h equal to 1. So we still got negative 3 here. We still have negative 3 there. Okay. Now, let's say if I now use the instruction of limit h approaching to 0, this h and this h is cancelling each other, not referring to the instruction of this. Okay, now I'm going to use this instruction. Do you find any h left?
Yes.
Which
At
one
the
left?
denominator, 3h, and then there's 3h.
3h here and also 3h here.
Yeah.
Okay, 0 and 0. So you already used the instruction of h approaching to 0. Do we need to rewrite limit h approaching to 0 again?
No.
No. Okay, that's it. So what's left here now? We got negative 3. Negative 3 divided by, we got this and this, this and this. Okay, square root of 3x minus 2 multiplied with square root of 3x minus 2. Square root of a times square root of a equal to
2 square. Oh no. It's A.
is a. So square root of 3x minus 2 times square root of 3x minus 2.
Is 3x minus 2.
That's it. 3x minus 2 to the power of 1. Okay, we still have this. Square root of 3x minus 2 plus square root of 3x minus 2. Square root of, okay, I have no space here, so I need to clear this first. Square root of a plus square root of a equal to
2 square root A.
2 square root of a. Okay, good. So now square root of 3x minus 2 plus square root of 3x minus 2.
2 square root 3x minus 2.
Good. Okay, so these two we may bring forward here. Negative 3 divided by 2. And look at this. We got 3x minus 2 power of 1. 3x minus 2 square root here. Square root means power of half, right? Okay, x power of 1 times x power of half equal to
3 over 2.
power of 3 over 2. X
Yeah.
power of 3 over 2. Okay, can we implement this here?
Yes.
Power of 1, square root is power of 3 over 2. So 1 plus half, 3x minus 2 to the power of
3 over 2.
3 over 2. That's it.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now can you please read for me a question of first principle that you have in your lecture note, I mean, what you call in your reference book or your textbook?
Oh, the one I sent you on. Oh, Krishna.
One that you sent me to me just now. Okay,
I have to
yesterday.
check. Did I send you any questions? Wait, oh,
Yes.
yes. Okay, question 4.
Question
Page
4.
soalan 4. Yes. Okay, here. Wait, teacher, I send you again, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I send you already.
Given by 10x, principal, show the value of A y equal to ax squared. So then dy dx equal to the limit of x delta x approaching to 0 a x plus delta x square minus ax square divided by delta x. Is this the one? Okay, limit of delta x approaching to 0. Okay, so look at this. We are going to expand because x plus delta x in bracket square. So then a x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x square minus ax squared divided by delta x. Okay, the limit of delta x approaching to 0. So a times x squared, ax squared. A times 2x delta x plus 2ax delta x plus with a delta x squared minus ax squared divided by delta x using first principle. So then ax squared minus ax squared. So limit of delta x approaching to 0, you get this 2ax delta x plus a delta x square divided by delta x. So we get 1 delta x, we got delta x square divided by 1 of the delta x here. So 1 of this and delta x. So limit of delta x approaching to 0, 2ax plus a delta x. Okay, so it's time for us to use this instruction. Limit of delta x approaching to 0. Do you find any delta x left here?
A delta x.
A delta x. So then the
0.
whole of this equal to 0. So what's left here now?
2ax.
2ax. Because we already used this instruction here. So then finally it is 2ax. So dy dx equal to 2ax and compare with 10x. So then 2a equal to 10, the a equal to
5.
5. Okay, how is it? Acceptable?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kiki, for this afternoon, you may just give me, okay, I'll try my best to help you as many question of differentiation just for this afternoon.
Okay. If you try to do this, but then just now's question, but then using your limit h to 0, can
Mhm.
just now's
The
question.
same question.
Yeah, but limit h to 0.
You mean this?
Yes, this question.
Okay. You may test yourself. Okay, you rewrite all this, but then change the term delta x with h. Just change. It's all still the same. You test yourself. Okay, this is what I did just now.
Hmm. Okay.
So change the term of delta x to h. You just practice yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so any more questions of differentiation, first principle, or might be some other question that related to differentiation,
Not really, Chef. Yeah.
or might be after this, I'm going to prepare the question, called a few set question of integration, opposite of differentiation.
Okay. Teacher, can you send me the slide for differentiation, the questions that you have prepared?
Submit the slide.
The slide yang differentiation tu, that day one, the few questions you had.
Oh yeah, the first meeting, our first meeting before.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, I'll rewrite. Apa, I'll send to you later.
Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. In your in SPM level, do you have integral differentiation of trigonometric function? Do you have that?
No.
No, differentiation
No.
only, right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, what about this kind of question? Y equal to 2x minus 3 times with 5x plus 2 cube. Find dy dx. Do you have this kind of question in your syllabus?
Yes.
Okay. Do you still remember how to solve this?
Yes.
Okay. Test yourself. Okay, test this question first and submit the answers, your solution to through WhatsApp.
Okay.
If correct, then it's okay. If not, then we'll discuss about it.
Okay. Well,
Okay. Okay, okay. Dah siap ke?
almost done.
Almost there. Okay. Okay, just let me know if you have complete the recall the question then. Hello, Kiki. May I know if you're still there?
Yes, teacher. Now I'm sending my work. Wait now. It's
Oh,
loading.
okay, never mind. This we consider as a U, and this is a V. So dy dx, which is U prime dot V plus U dot V prime. Am I right? Kiki.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So when U equal to 2x minus 3, so that U prime equal to
2.
2 and V equal to 5x plus 2 cube, and then V prime equal to,
15 bracket 5x plus 2 square.
okay, bring up 3 to the front here, and then 5x plus 2, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and derivative of 5x plus 2, which is 5, then 3 times 5, 15, 5x plus 2 square. Agreed?
Yes. That's what I
Okay,
said.
so now U prime, which is 2, and V, 5x plus 2 cube plus with U, 2x minus 3, and V prime, 15, 5x plus 2 square. Okay, 2 5x plus 2 cube plus 2x minus 3. Oh, sorry. 15, 2x minus 3, and 5x plus 2 squared. Okay, do we have the constant that we call yang sama tak 15 common? 15 and 2. One is even numbers and another one is odd numbers. Okay, we can do nothing. We just leave it like that. But we have 5x plus 2 and 5x plus 2. One with the power of 3 and one with the power of 2. So if we try to factorize simplifying this, then 5x plus 2, take out the least one, which is 2 here. We got 3 and 2, take out the least, square. So 2, okay, 5x plus 2 in bracket cube, power of 3. Squared have been taken outside. So how many things left here?
1, 5x plus 2.
1. Okay, 5x plus 2. Okay, and then plus with 15. 2x minus 3. Okay, 5x plus 2 in bracket square. Both have been taken outside. So any 5x plus 2 left here?
No.
Nope. This is the one. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Your answers same as mine.
Yes.
Okay. What about this? Y equal to 5x minus 1 square divided by 2x plus 3 cube. So find dy dx. Okay. Another 5 to 10 minutes. Test yourself with this question now.
Okay. Oh, okay. 5, 10.
Wonderful.
Teacher, I'm done.
That
Yeah.
okay. Never mind. Let's recall the solution together. Uh, u equal to 5x minus 1 squared. So the u prime equal to 2 5x minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. And then differentiate 5x minus 1 equal to 5 here. So 5 times 2 equal to 10. 5x minus 1. Okay. And then v equal to v
2x plus 3 cube.
wait, v equal to 2x plus 3 cube. So then v prime equal to 3
6.
2x plus 3. 3 minus 2 1 equal to 2. And then differentiate 2x plus 3 equal to 2. So 3 times 2 equal to 6. 2x plus 3 squared. Okay. So now y prime or dy dx u prime dot v minus u dot v prime divided by v squared. Okay. For this part, in textbook or reference book, they write this one as a v u prime minus u v prime divided by v squared.
Yeah.
Betul kan? Okay. Just because of this v dot u prime with u prime dot v tak sama ke?
Sama.
Sama je kan? So
Yeah.
that's why I rearrange the writing of this u prime dot v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So then u prime is 10 5x minus 1. 10 5x minus 1 multiplied with v 2x plus 3 cube minus u 5x minus 1 square and v prime 6 2x plus 3 square divided by v square. V is this one here. So if we square this, 3 times 2 equal to 6. So then 2x plus 3 to the power of 6. Okay. So now look at this. We have this 2x plus 3 cube power of 3. And this is 2x plus 3 squared. So then if we have x y cube minus x y square divided by y to the power of 6. What will be the result of this? Are we going to refer to y cube or y square?
Square.
Square. Okay. Square. And then take out two out of 3 here. So 1 left. And take out 2 out of the 6, then 4 left here. So then we got 10 5x minus 1. And then 3 here. Then we got 2x plus 3 power of 1 minus 5x minus 1 square. And 6. This one habis divide by 2x plus 3 power of 4. Okay. And we still have 10 and 6. We divide by 2. It will left you 5 and 3. And then 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1 square. Kita masih boleh faktorkan. So take out 2. And then 5x minus 1. Because we have square and 1, take out one of this. And then 5 2x plus 3 minus 6 and 5x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 to the power of 4. Boleh ya?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, Kiki. Since that this question and this question, your answers exactly same as mine or a little bit different?
The first question I did careless mistake where I wrote 5x minus 2. Tapi the
5x
working
minus
all
2.
correct. Tapi
Oh,
the first
okay.
part,
Just this one, this part only.
that part, yeah.
Okay.
Second
Second
one semua
question.
betul. Second
Okay,
one betul.
good. All right. So good to hear that. So now, okay, if you have any question from your side,
Um, for now, no lah, teacher.
okay, because I have, okay, we promised 4 until 6. We still have another 25 minutes left. So if you have any extra question that you want me to explain, then sekejap eh.
Um, for now, no lah, teacher. I can do most of the questions. The questions I suffered with is the first principle. Tapi okay already now.
First principle. Okay, you suffered on
Okay
first
already?
principle.
Yeah.
Okay, already. Okay.
Okay
All
already.
right.
And then
All right.
approximate
Uh,
change pun okay already. Teacher,
all
maybe
right.
you can try the basics of integration. The first part
Basic
of integration.
integration, basic integration. Okay, hold on. I'd like to find out because I saved the SPM module ebook inside my topical laptop.
Yeah.
Integration topics from 5, right?
Yeah.
Sekejap eh. Add maths, okay. Okay, ini buku form 5 eh. Sekejap eh. Ebook text form 4 and form 5. Okay, pengamiran. Page 82, right?
My textbook, teacher.
Your textbook,
Yeah.
page 82.
Yes.
82, okay. Okay, okay. Before I'll touch a bit on what we call content of integration. Let me test you with just one question.
Okay.
Y equal to, okay, I'll test with you with quadratic, which I think is more than enough, because if I give you square root, then you'll take around 40 minutes to solve it. So, habis masa kita. Okay. Uh, x square minus 5x. So, find dy dx
X square minus 4x.
using first principle. Okay, 10 minutes from now. Okay.
Yeah.
X square minus 5x. So, find dy dx using first principle. Try now.
X square minus 5x.
Uh-huh. Can
Okay.
you see what I'm writing on the screen now? Okay, nampak ke apa yang saya tulis kat screen?
Wait, shall we? Because I don't see it full screen. So you're
Oh,
presenting, ah?
okay. Right, I need to put it on again. Hmm, there you go. Nampak?
Sekarang nampak.
Alright, okay. Try now for first 10 minutes. Okay, so once you solve this question, you may just because snap the picture and send to me through WhatsApp. So I'll make a check on that on my
So
phone.
this one is integration then?
Differentiation, you
Oh,
find
this one
using
is
first
sorry.
principle.
Okay. This
Hi,
was
my
like one
dear.
or two.
Read the question clearly, carefully. Okay. Try now. Ada orang. Ada orang. Tadi tak ada orang depan. Tadi tak nampak tak ada orang ke depan. Tak, tadi nampak tak ada orang. Ada. Okay. Tiba-tiba ada. Lagi-lagi handsome ni. Oh. Ni, siapa yang TKM puji budak kitab tu siapa? TKM puji budak kitab yang kerja kat rumah tu siapa? Eh, ada? Adam ke nama dia? Okey, okey. Baru lagi tengok TKM berapa, ambil gambar dia dengan dengan seorang apa ni, budak ex kitab kan siapa? Tak tahu. Oh, tak perasan pula sebab ada nampak tu. Tak apa, tak apa. Ingatkan kau baru. Oh, lagi tak apa. Okay, so x square, x plus a square minus 5 is minus x square minus 5. Okay, if hmm, uh, okay, tak ada masalah dengan ini. Right. Cumanya kalau sepatutnya lah nak tulis kat sini payah. Sekejap Okay, okay, okay. So, thanks for the picture. Dah nampak lah. Okay, so the thing is, all you did is correct. It's only that I recall. X plus h square minus 5x plus h minus fx x square minus 5x divided by h. Oh, sekejap, bateri dah low. Okay. Okay. Okay, you still with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, limit h approaching to 0. Okay, what you did, you sent to me the pictures. What you did all correct, but then just suggestion to you, please for the first time, we call separate between these two with the sign of bracket. So this is for fx plus h, and this is for fx. Okay, without the bracket, sometimes you can easily make a simple silly mistake, especially when we are trying to what we call expand it. -5 with x, -5 with h, and also negative with this and this. So I do strongly suggest to you, put a bracket between these two so we can see clearly that this is for fx plus h and this is for fx. That's all. The rest is all correct. Okay. So okay, you're not suffering, no, you're not suffer with first principle anymore, right? Hello, are you still with me?
Sir, teacher, I reply tapi mic tutup. Yeah, no.
Might okay. Okay, now I get it. Okay, so you're not suffer with first principle anymore, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay, thank you very much. Good, thank God. Okay. So if I refer to the books, okay, from the textbook that I have in my we call yang saya e-book, the buku teks name. Sekejap. This is a question from the textbook. Saya ada simpan uh, digital textbook in my apa you call laptop. So okay. So okay. Uh, integrate 4/3 x cube respect to the x. Okay, question number 1. Question A, B integrate 3/x cube respect to the x. C, integrate 3 square root of x respect to the x. And D, integrate 2 divided by cube root of x respect to the x. Okay, what about this kind of question? Is it okay? Okay, can you solve this question? Or are you having problem with this kind of question then?
So you can go through with me,
Go through means
like do together. Situ.
do together.
Ah,
Okay. So what about this question A? Any idea? Okay, this is constant. Constant. Do this thing affect the process of integration?
no.
No. So take it outside. 4/3 integral of x cubed dx. Okay, next.
X.
Integrate x cubed respect to the x.
X. 4/4.
Integral of ax to the power of n dx equal to a. Okay, integrate this x power of n plus 1 divided by
N plus 1.
n plus 1. Good. Plus with a
C.
constant of c. Get it?
Yes.
So now plus c. So this 4 divided by itself 4. What's left now?
Yeah. Oh.
4 divided by
X.
4 equal to?
X. 4/3.
Okay, x power over 3. 4 divided by 4 equal to 1, right?
Yes.
So 1/3 x to the power of 4 plus c.
Okay.
Okay, what about this? A constant. My question, we call the same question that I asked you earlier. Does it affect the process of integration?
No.
No.
Wait.
So take it
Yeah,
outside.
no. Yes.
So integrate of, if 3, put it outside here. Also, it become 1/x cubed. Okay.
Yeah.
1/a to the power of n equal to
What is that? Oh. A negative n
a, okay, a negative n. Okay, a to the power of negative n.
plus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Implement this here.
Oh. X negative 3.
X power of negative 3 respect to the x.
Yes.
Okay, so then 3. Okay, integrate this now.
X plus 1. X negative 2/-2.
x power of negative 3 plus 1,
Negative 2.
negative 2. Is that all?
Over negative 2
Over negative 2 plus c. So simplifying this,
plus C.
x power of negative x power of negative n equal to,
Yes. X, 1 over x.
okay, 1 over a power of n equal to a power of negative n. So oppositely, a power of negative n opposite,
1 over x
that's it.
n.
So it is 1 over x squared plus c. Or just simplifying this, it becomes negative 3 over 2x squared plus c.
Okay.
Okay, what about this one here now? Square root of x means,
X 1 over 2.
okay, does E3 have nothing relate with the process of integration?
No.
No, take it outside. So 3x power of 1 over 2 dx equal to
3x
1 over 2
1 over
plus
2.
1
Yes. 3 over 2
power of, okay, 3x power of 3 over 2. Is that all?
plus C. Oh, over 3 over 2 plus C.
Over 3 over 2 plus c. Okay, now this divide by a fraction. A over b divide by c over d. So if we bring up here, then it become a over b times with
D over C.
d over c. Good. So three
2.
x power of 3 over 2 times with 3 over 2, that become, bring this above, switch the
Oh,
position,
2. Oh,
2
times
over,
2 over 3
mhm, 2 over
plus
3
C.
plus c. And then 3 divided by 3 equal to
2.
2. Okay, 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. There's only 2 left here. So what's now? What's now?
2x 3
2x
over
power
2 plus
3 over 2 plus c. There you go. Get it?
yes.
Okay. Okay, now I'll erase this because, okay, this video is being recorded. So you may recall, bolehlah padam apa semua, you akan boleh forward, rewind, pause and everything. All the function of the button you can do it because you use it later. Okay. 2 again has nothing to do with the process of integration. Take it outside. 2 integral. Okay. 1 over cube root. Cube root means x power of
3 over 2.
cube root. Square root x power of half. So cube root
1 over 3.
1 over 3. So bring this above. What will happen then?
Oh, x negative 1 over 3.
Negative 1 over 3. Good. Okay, so you learn fast. So now 2 have been taken outside. So the rest of this have now become x power of negative 1 over 3 respect to the x. So let's integrate this to, okay, integrate this negative 1 over 3 plus 1
2 over 3.
x to the power of 2 over
2
3 divided
over
by
2,
2
3.
over 3 plus c. So bring this above, switch the position upside down,
Times 3 over 2.
3 over 2, good, times
2.
2, good, and then
X 2 over 3.
2 over 3 plus
Plus C.
C. So 2 divided by itself, 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So what's left here now?
3.
3x power of
2 over 3 plus C.
2 over 3 plus C. That's it. Okay. So integration is a process of antiderivative, opposite of derivative or differentiation. So let's say if I have y equal to this 3x power of 2 over 3, so then y prime or dy dx, 2 over 3 bring to the front, 2 over 3 times 3 times x power of 2 over 3 minus 1.
Negative 1 over 3.
X, okay, 2 over 3 minus 1, negative 1 over 3. So 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. So then 2x power of negative 1 over 3, right?
Yes.
Sama
Oh,
tak?
yeah.
That's it. So integration is a reverse process of derivative, reverse process. Okay, so almost 6. I give you 1, 2 question, then we end our discussion by today. So our next class, we'll look into the big topic of integration. Is okay for you?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll take one of the question from the page I stepped to you, I sent to you just now. Integrate negative 3 over x squared plus 4x minus 2 respect to the x, and another one to end our discussion for this afternoon. Integral of x squared 3x squared plus 5x dx. Okay, question 1 and question 2 and question 3. Integrate 5x squared minus 3 square root of x dx. Okay, for the first one, we got 1 negative 3 and 1 over x squared here. Uh, okay, for this kind of question, we can, okay, first option, you can just simply integrate the term one by one. Okay, we got this first term, okay, term 1, 2, and 3. You can just simply integrate one by one just like that. Or second option is you separate all this negative 3 over x squared dx plus integral of 4x dx minus integral of 2 dx. Okay, paham tak maksud saya tadi?
Yes.
Okay, if you straightly integrate this, and this, is okay, betul. Or if you separate all this one by one, it's all correct too. Tak ada masalah. So now, negative 3 is a constant. Take it outside. Integral of 1 over x squared. Make it as x power of negative 2 dx plus 4 integral of x dx minus 2 integral of 1 dx. Okay, so negative 3. Okay, integral of x power of negative 2 dx.
Negative 1. X
X
negative
power,
1
x power of negative 1
over negative 1.
over negative 1. Good. Plus with 4. Integrate x.
0. Wait, no. X squared.
X power of
2
2
over 2.
divide by 2. Good. Minus 2. Do you find any numbers here?
No.
No. But this one, we can simply assuming this as a
0
1.
or 1. Okay.
1. Okay.
Okay.
So integrate 1 respect to the x.
X.
X power of 1 divided by 1 plus c. Okay, so let's simplify this. Negative time negative, positive. So 3 and x power of negative 1 is
1 over 3.
x power of negative 1.
Oh, sorry. 3 over x.
3 over x, good. And then 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. So we got 2x squared
X.
minus 2x plus c. Okay, now for this kind of question, we are going to expand it. Integrate of 3x squared times x squared, 3x power 4 plus 5x with x squared, 5x cubed dx. Okay, okay, okay. If I'm not using this process, I skip the process. Straightly we integrate these two one by one. Is it possible for you to understand?
Yes.
Okay, slowly. 3x to the power of 4.
5.
4 plus 1 equal to
5.
5. Is that all?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5. Good. And then 5x 3
4.
plus 1 equal to 4. Is that all?
Over 4. Oh, 4.
Over 4 plus c. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. For the last 5 minutes for you to try solve this question before we end the session this afternoon. This one. Now.
Teacher Dan.
Right. Okay. Read. Uh, read it for me. Your answers then.
5x cubed over 3
Mm-hmm.
minus 2x 3 over 2 plus c.
Minus
2x
2x
power 3 over 2
power of 3 over 2
plus c.
plus c. Okay, let's double check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, differentiate this respect to the x. 5x cubed over 3 minus 2x power of 3 over 2. Okay, respect to the x. Okay, this one, 5, bring up to the front here. 3 times 5x cubed minus 1 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3. So you get 5x3 minus 1 equal to 5x squared. That's it. And then minus, okay, 3 over 2. Bring to the front. 3 over 2 times 2x power of 3 over 2 minus 1, 1 over 2. So 2 divided by 2, then you get negative 3x power of half, which is square root of x. Okay, good. Okay, so our next class, we're going to discuss furthermore on integration. So I prepare my question, but I want you to prepare your own question too. You get it?
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Uh, till we meet again.
Okay, teacher. Thank you. Don't forget
Okay,
to send me the
uh,
recording.
alright, okay. Okay,
Okay,
thank you very
teacher.
much. Jumpa lagi.